Hello Mayfield, it is Thursday, September 29th, and this is the homework video for my pre-algebra students. About a month into the school year, great job. We had our first quiz last week, and everyone did really well, so that's exciting. Remember, our next quiz is coming up quick, because the second part of the unit is shorter than the first part, and our second quiz is going to be a week from tomorrow. All right, I did go to the shoebox. We had suggestions. The one that I picked says Unit 1, Lesson 13.5. So that will be on the back of the homework. And I'm guessing this person had this question because this is the lesson that we did today, and the homework, kind of mimics the lessons as we move through the week. So are figures A and B congruent, and explain your reasoning. We've been talking about congruence a lot this week and corresponding parts being congruent. These are not polygons because they are not straight-sided closed shapes, but they are still figures. Are they congruent? Which means, are they exactly the same? Well, probably just looking at it, you might be able to answer that question. But since we are fans of the tracing paper, when I do a non-polygon, I do sometimes like to also draw these interior lines. It does help me see if it's congruent or not. We saw on the faces today at the end of class that the outside of the face was congruent, and that the individual parts of the face, the eyes were congruent, the mouths were congruent, but because their spacing on the face was not the same, then the face as a whole is not congruent. If this is figure A and we move it over, no, not congruent, because we don't really have a lot overlapping. While their height at the fullest part is the same, we can see that their width is not the same. So they are not congruent because they are not the exact same two shapes. There is no transformation, either a rigid transformation or a sequence of transformations that we could do to figure A that would make it line up perfectly on figure B. And that is why they are not congruent. I hope that helps. I will see you tomorrow, and thanks for putting those suggestions in. I appreciate it. Bye.